If I should have some kind of that calculation. If I don't have, I think that's
Yeah,
the problem.
let's try to go to this one then.
This morning I changed the so many jars around now.
Yeah, so from here, like for sure you use the
Yes,
DVD
yes,
reader, right? So I'll click
yes,
it.
yes.
Yeah, start building. Okay. Let me open this so that I will know when it is in the tablet. You have also here the one in the tablet, right?
Yes, yes, yes,
And
yes,
then you also have here the one for the phone. But
yes, yes.
instead of going to that one, we'll go directly to the page. Like for example, let's say you wanted this to look at the when in any section or in any page, you can change it for the mobile and for the tablet. So like for example here, this one,
Yes.
just go to the content.
Yes.
Let me put it like that. And then you go to the design because it
Yes,
is
yes, yes.
here where you have this for
And
the
in each one, they show the what is that mobile? Yes, yes.
yeah, that
Then it
mobile. Like
appears.
for example, if you click this, then you will have first the phone, and if you click
Yes,
this
yes.
one, it will turn into mobile. So you will know how it will look like in the tablet, and then you will know also how it will look like in the phone. So if for
Yes.
example in the computer you placed here around 10 like that, so that will be, and then you made it also, well, that is on the top. I'll put it on the padding, right? Like the padding
Mm-hmm.
on the left, like let's say it is 10 or 7, let's say 10, and the other side you want it the same, so just click that. If it's different, then you can move this
The
one.
center one,
Uh-huh.
I
And
can remove and do it.
okay, and then you have it there, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
if you click this one, then it will not have a 10. It will continue to be the same as it was, unless you put here also, well, it is also 10 here because, but from here you can change it into
Yeah.
a bigger padding or no padding at all. And also
Yes.
in the phone, you can also change this one into different padding, like for example 28. But it
Yes,
will
yes.
in the computer, it should remain, actually
The
it's
same.
supposed to be remain the same. Okay.
But it doesn't sometimes. That's the
Yeah,
that's good.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So you just have to go to each of these so that it will
Mm.
what do you call this one? It will be updated on the different
Configure? I don't know what is the word to use.
different gadgets.
Yeah.
Like this one will have a different what the position, or will have
Hmm.
also a different design when it comes to mm, wait, let's see for this, the margin. Let's go for the top.
Hmm.
You see
What
this
is
one
the
will be in
first?
the middle, but it's different in the phone.
Mm-hmm.
uh, and since you're seeing the why am I doing like that? Let me I am pointing with my
Finger.
with my finger. Wait, I will put it in the mobile. No, so you see this. Where is
Yes,
that?
yes.
This one is here, right? So
Yeah.
you might want it to be in the middle rather than there in the side, or this one to make sure that it
Side, but maybe some more tiny in size.
yeah. So you
Uh,
just go to the model settings like this. and then you can here's the content for the phone, right? And then you go to the design, and then you can still go to the space,
Space.
uh, to the right, and then you can try to go. If it doesn't allow you, then it
Mm-hmm.
will not allow you because it depends on what did you put on the left side.
Mm-hmm.
If there's a space here, then it will not come. Or else, or else
Yeah, from
you have to change the text size
six.
on the phone. Like for example, this one,
Mm.
so you can make it smaller if you want, so that it
Uh,
will
so
fit.
small.
uh And then it will be different. It will still be 16
Yeah,
on the
yeah.
tablet. It will still be 16 on the computer.
Computers.
But here in the phone, it is already 14, so it can be smaller, and then you can change the what do you call this one? This one, like,
Mm.
what's that? This is a
See, in most of the way they arrange, they don't justify why is it they don't why don't they justify it?
because
It doesn't.
the
It is
automatic
breaks like
yeah, on the default,
gap.
it is not justified. If you
Uh,
want everything to be justified automatically, let me go out of this. Yeah, why did I close that? Exit,
I,
discard, and exit. On the template itself, on the appearance, in the customize. What was that? Typography, I think. The body text.
mm,
It doesn't also give you any choice. So I think the default really is
fixed.
yeah, fixed, and then you just have to put
Uh,
it in the justified and not justified. But if it is
yeah, I tried from here from here the each one the what is that? From there the computer, the tablet, and the mobile, but it doesn't work. So then I found okay, let me just go by its own system.
yeah, and the system, then that's it. Then you just have to move. Also the same, if you move, for example, like here, if you moved it in the on the left side on the mobile phone, you can put it in the middle.
Mhm.
Let's go back to this. Like for example, this one. Let's go to the mobile phone.
Maybe the what is that? The round one up there. Oh,
Which
I am
one?
also showing my finger.
Which
The CMF the CMF. I find it very difficult to adjust that one.
so I am now in the mobile, no? I'll
Uh,
try. I'll just put this one here. I
I'm
will,
unable to do that, so
yeah.
I left just.
This is the image, I think. Then you have here the phone. It will be the same, I suppose. Uh,
Then from the what is that? By I circled it with what is that? In the design I did it.
in the
In the
design.
design, yeah, from
Yeah,
there here
from
90 you
there.
see.
Yeah. Where's the you don't have for the phone, and then for the here rounded in the
Yeah,
corner.
yes, yes.
Yeah, let's go to this one. It's the same, so it should be the same. It should be round also, no? You want
Uh-huh.
it round also?
Yeah, there is no other option to make it round, or I do it outside and then download it and paste. Or
No, this one can be done the 90 degrees. It's okay because it's round now, no? Uh,
yeah.
yeah, but what you wanted to do
So
is
one of our brother asked whether it is a button you can touch and it opens like.
you see this.
Yeah, if
in
it
the
comes like that.
transform,
Okay, okay.
but I am going back because you should go first to the phone, and then to that
Mm-hmm.
phone you can transform it so that in
Okay,
the
okay.
mobile in the tablet you can also make it bigger, so that it will be the same in the, I suppose it is still the same in the
It's the same. That's the
computer.
problem.
So here in the tablet it is 136 amplified or transformed. Here on the phone it is 166, so it's
Mm-hmm.
bigger now. So it's from here that you can make it bigger, and
Oh,
then
in the transform.
yeah, in the
Okay.
transform, because
Uh,
in the size also you can, there are two
yeah,
ways. One way is that one, the other way
sizing.
is to do with the sizing. So from here,
Uh,
instead of auto, then you
okay.
can you can do this one and the maximum width, let's say.
But
That's
it is like 100 or something. It's
yeah.
fixed.
So I will go back, or else it will be destroyed. So that's
Mm.
how it will look like. I will not save the changes so that you can do the
Okay, okay.
proper size that you want for it.
Okay, okay.
Here, is there any other problem here? Any other problem on the only this one? The If it's
That
okay.
was a
Yeah.
mm, justifying the, what is that? From where to justify the
Yeah,
words?
yeah, the words. And I think you have a very big, this one here. This is
Yeah,
space.
I reduced it.
Uh-huh. Something like that. So it doesn't allow me I even.
When I do like that, it stops like it doesn't work for some like that.
Yeah, it doesn't work. And besides, it will affect the other
Mm.
what do you call this one? The other units. It
Yeah,
might,
now you have to go out and
yeah.
then again come back.
So better. So if
No
something, you
touch.
just click here, and then it will
Yeah.
it will already come. But what you can do is to check here with the spacing, with the
Mm-hmm.
sizing. You can do this width as 100%, and
Yeah.
then the maximum width. Wait, sorry. Was 100%. Use custom gutter so that it will be zero or column heights or whatever. And then I am changing the whole, well, changing, I am just showing the whole thing there, but
Okay.
it can still be, I don't know if this one can be moved. This one can still also be moved like that.
Oh.
So from the transfer, you can also move it from here to there.
Ah. Transform. Oh, we can
Yeah,
use transform now for that.
you can also
Yeah, yeah, that I have seen sometimes. Yes, yes.
so
I
that is,
did some one page with that.
uh-huh.
Not so
So,
so
so it's
weird.
it's on that side. No, if you want the whole thing, then you click the
Uh,
green. If you want
okay.
only this, then you click the black
Hmm.
system module settings, including
And
this one.
transform it.
Yeah,
Transform.
and then
Okay.
design and then go to transform. Then from time to time,
Uh,
look at it on your phone because it might be different on the computer,
different.
and
Yes,
then
yes.
on the phone it is also different.
Hmm.
I will not save it so that it will not. Yeah. And with the this one, no, the uncategorized, I will go back to computer system. In the posts so that it will not come out like this uncategorized, no, in the dashboard
Uh,
you have to
I should have, I just left it because I just
some,
left in the customize. They have, if you just click it, it won't appear, right?
it will
Somewhere
not.
I saw it. I
So
just
from
left
here in
it.
the post you just create
Hmm.
categories, and then you create categories first, like for example, this is formation, this is apostolate, this is social apostolate, this is media and everything. you just like let's do one, like for example this is formation, no? Formation. So these are all news regarding formation. Or you put government. These are all news regarding government. These are entries, I mean, posts regarding the government, posts regarding the
Mm-hmm.
formation. So simply click formation and then add new category. Then you already have that one. So that when you go to the posts, like for
Mm-hmm.
example, this one, if you add a post on the right side,
Mm-hmm. They will ask where to
you
go.
will ask where to go. Give me next, close this. This category is here. You have already the formation.
Mm-hmm.
So that if, for example, let me go back to this one. And then I'll go back to categories. I'll create sermons. If you have that sermons, then whenever you put a new entry on the sermon, it will go directly to sermons. So that when you click a list, the list of sermons, then it will list all the sermons that you have entered in the website. So it's
I
like
see.
archiving
Okay, okay.
all these things
They
in.
categorize in box
Yeah,
it in one
categorize.
box.
Yeah, and then that means to say when you come to this one, if you put, for
Uh,
example, like for example, in the if for
in the
example,
mission, I think
yeah,
in the mission,
yeah,
I
in the
have
video,
that word mission,
yeah, for example, here
Sunday
in
homilies.
Sunday sermons, if you click this one, it can be
Mm-hmm.
actually placed there. What do you call this one? The that the archive of the sermons, so that you
Mm.
don't need to put it one by one. It's automatic. Then
Okay,
all you
okay,
have to
okay.
do is to design that page
Uh-huh.
so that it will come.
Okay,
Or
okay.
for example, like for example, this is a page, like no, this is a post. That's why so this is a post. It is supposed to be a page, and then the post will be placed on it. Let
Ah,
me show you how to do it. I'll add one page. Uh,
okay. I did it as a post or I don't know, post I think.
it is a post, yeah, it is a post. So what you have to do is, for example,
Make a page.
make a page. I'll do it, and then
Because I have so many pages, I tried, okay, better that go under that page.
yeah. So for example, these are the sermons, no? And then we'll just remove it later, or I will put like that so that it will not get the slug as it is.
Okay.
Okay. And then I'll use the DV builder because I wanted it to have the different posts regarding sermons. Build from scratch. So for example, from here, I don't want to use, why am I pointing with my hand? For example, from here, I do not want to use this blue regular section, but I want to use the full width so that I can have a picture or whatever, a full width post title,
Mm.
like this, for example. No, wrong. Wait,
And
I think.
we use only the other one, right? Regular.
Yeah, normally the automatic, the default is regular, but
Mm.
I usually use the full width header so that I can put it like this, so that I can change
Ah,
sermons like that.
okay.
Then I can remove this, and then I will leave the what do you call
Dual
this
servant
one?
there.
Yeah, like that. And then you can still design it, change the
Mm-hmm.
color and everything anyway. So for example, then I'll go to this, then I'll use
Mm.
now the regular thing, and from
Mm.
here maybe I'll use
Single
like
one.
the single one first. Let me show, and then you put blog,
Text.
the
I,
blog. This time it will be blog so that it will be post, no? So you can put how many, around four, let's say four, but you choose the category of sermon so that only the post on sermons will come out.
sermons.
Yeah.
Blog. I have to use blog.
Yeah, you have to use blog if you want the
Uh,
only this particular category will come out. So
okay,
you have
okay.
to create first the different categories. After creating
Mm.
the different categories, and you know what will go to those things, then you can
Yes.
create the pages. So
That's the basic thing you taught us.
yeah, so from here you can already change all these except, and then what do you want it to show? You want to show the feature image, you want to show the read more button. If you want to hide the author, if you want to hide all this, then you can just simply hide them, and then
Mm.
that's it. And that's one way, no, but there's another
Yes.
way of doing it so that it will also look like, for example, there may be just one here, and then the next there will be another with four or three, so
Mm-hmm.
that there will be one big, and then there will be four. Again, I will put blog, but I will
Mm.
only put one, and still the same, I will put sermons so that everything will come from there. But in the offset, I will put one. That means to say that
Uh-huh.
the one that it will show is the second to the latest entry. So
Oh.
so in the next, for example, I will put another blog here, and then I will only put one, and sermons again, and then here I will put two. Then it will also show the previous, the third to the last entry.
Okay, okay, okay.
So it will be the same. So that it will look like a, what they call this one, a magazine thing. So that
Mm-hmm.
they will see it as it. And it will be automatic.
Mm.
So it will, yeah, and then if you want to show the rest of the blog, then you just simply the rest of the contents, then you just simply put the same, still the blog, and then
Mm.
you put the rest. If you just leave it as it is, and then you put the offset as, for example, this is 1 2 3 4, so this will be 5, so that the rest will be entered there. And then in the elements, make sure that you have the show pagination, so that there will be next page, previous entries, etc. But here
Mm-hmm.
you don't have to put the uh, pagination, or else you will have below there a, what do you call this one,
Number
uh,
of
yeah,
other.
number of, I will show one to you. I will show this one.
Mm-hmm.
That or
Maybe our page, main page.
uh apostolatus, because we are also transferring the apostolate page right now. They're working on it.
Mm-hmm.
So this one is an example. So every time
Mm.
that the in charge or Father Arthur will add one, this one with the hand again. This one will move here, and this one here
Yes,
will.
yes.
So
Yeah.
it will be the same with what you are with your page.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
So one in the, what is that? One in the of
One in the second here in the offset.
offset.
Yeah,
Offset one.
in the element. Okay, sorry, in the elements now. In the content, you have the offset here, post 1, and then here 2, 3, and 4, and then here and 5. It depends how many columns you want.
Okay, okay, okay.
So that's the second way of putting it. And there's another way of showing also this one, just to insert a plugin. I will install to you a plugin which is not yet here, which you can also it can also display. I better prepare a video on that. That will display the date, and then it's
Mm-hmm.
different way of showing it. Let me show you how what I was
Ah,
talking about.
you told us that you would make a video for what is that? GPF? How to do
The
it?
yeah, the GPS. Wait.
I
This
think
one.
once you made with some other things, I think that would work. There's another. Initially, we have done that. Maybe that should be okay.
So like this is a plug-in to make it directly like as it is
Ah,
immediately.
yeah.
I can install that in your site so that you can use it, and then you have just to instead of
Arranging so many things.
yeah,
Just.
instead of arranging so many things and instead of using blog, it is named as extra, blog extra. I hope it will
Mm.
work there because it is actually only for the extra for the extra theme. That's the
Oh.
only thing. But we'll see. We
Uh,
will see.
it's
I will
okay. I'll try it from here. No need to send. It's okay.
so from
We'll learn. We'll learn. I'll learn. I'll learn.
and then from there you just save it and then that's it. Then from
Mm.
here you can add something else below. For example, here you can add something else like feature whatever you want to feature, and then it
Yes.
will it will go to the next to the other pages so that they will be attracted to click something else aside from that. I'll remove
Yeah. I also added some music. Wandering Soul. Actually,
this one.
how to arrange here in this section?
Uh,
It seems like so much not that pleasing to look
yeah,
at.
because this is
Uh-huh.
the default uh,
Footer.
default footer. Let me go
Yeah.
up this now. I will not
So I,
delete. Anyway, it's in the video. I will upload the video later if you want to go back to that. So that I will not save it in your page or else it will create a lot of exit,
ah,
discard and exit.
uh, we have so many things. Yeah.
Yeah, let me go
Better
back to the dashboard.
better do a video than explaining to each one, right?
Yeah, yeah. No, because I do not know what is the thing needed, no? So better whenever we have these questions, it's better we
Yes,
get
yes.
it so the others will also learn. So
Benefit.
from
Yes.
yeah, from here you go to appearance and then you go
Mm-hmm.
to widgets. If you check that, you have the footer one, you have the footer two, and you also have the footer tree where you have placed these things, so these
Yes.
are the footers. That's why
Yes, yes.
you have exit visual basic.
Down some 5 or 6 or something like that.
Yeah. So you have all these in your footer. From
Yeah.
here you can
Ha.
remove it directly. You just click this and then delete.
Mhm.
For
Okay.
example, I'll delete that one. Unfortunately, it will not come back anymore. So the categories
Others.
were out, including the
Mhm.
meta. If you want to remove this, for example, meta, delete this one because those hackers can simply go and
Yeah,
enter
yeah, yeah.
your
Yeah,
page.
nobody uses that.
Yeah, so
Meta is not necessary.
better remove it. So I removed it like that.
Mhm. But still seen there or
Then it's no
removed.
longer there. But the way that it
Mhm.
will look will be the footer. I mean, the way the footer would look like. So if
Mhm.
if in the if in the appearance in the theme, let's customize this one. Footer.
Footer. I went through all this yesterday.
If you lay out, then you have to change the layout if you want only three, if you
Yeah,
want
2 or 3 or 1.
or three or one. So you can just choose or five or how many, it depends on you. Okay, so that will be the
Mhm.
footer, and then you have here the widgets, the color of these things.
Mhm. Yeah.
It will also
Yesterday I
be
tried those things.
yeah, and then the footer menu, which is not there because
Mhm.
there's no menu that is placed in the footer right now, and then the bottom bar to change the different colors. It is from here, including this one. If you want to remove this design elegant themes, then you have to put
Yeah.
your
That's why I have something else on the upper part. There is also the same Facebook Twitter down, already there in the down.
Only
The
there.
down one also you can remove, right?
Yes, it can be removed. Here in the credits, you put what they call it, copyright, all rights reserved, something like that.
All
I
right,
do not know
reserved.
how to. I do not know how to put that. See, it's a code that you have to look for in the computer.
CHC.
Something like that. 2020, something 2021, something like that. And then Claretian missionaries, and then you write it here, here. Okay. But this C, you can look for it in the alt. I do not remember anymore how to make a copyright thing. You can copy it right away from the computer from a a website. Just copy that and then put it there, and then that's it. So it's the same. It's the same here in the what they call this one. If you want to remove the one on top or the one down,
Yeah,
down. You want to
yeah.
remove this in
I
the
saw
tool.
somewhere. I saw somewhere.
It is
How
here,
to
filtered
remove? Yes,
elements.
yes, yes, yes. There is
Just
a.
click show icons, then it will
How to add the new ones?
uh-huh.
How to add new social? What is it? New social
Social icon,
signs.
signs on top,
Icon.
no, on top.
Some icons are not there.
Yeah, okay. How to do that one? Let's go out from here.
Mm,
Close. You go to the DV in the theme options. Click the theme
mm-hmm.
options, and
Because in each
then
country, because it's different. In each
yeah,
country, people use
yeah.
different. What is that? Like WhatsApp. In some
So
countries,
from
we don't have WhatsApp much. We
yeah,
have Kakao.
yeah. Okay, so from here, these are the available ones. So
Yeah,
you can remove actually the Google icon because it is no longer
no longer people
there.
use
Yeah,
it.
it's no longer there. And from here, you can put the links of those
Mm-hmm.
social media. It is here that you put them. Because even if you
Uh,
click that one, even if you click these things, you see pointing my finger, you see down here that it is only on the left corner below. You will see that it is only a hashtag because it is
yes.
not connected to any account. So
Mm-hmm.
if if you want to connect all these into different accounts, then you have to go to this theme and put the the URL of the Facebook, the Twitter, and the
Mm-hmm.
Instagram, and then the RSS you can leave it as it is. And if you want to add a for sharing, because
Mm-hmm.
this one is actually going to your account as Korea in the Facebook as a profile. It is
If
not
there is,
yeah,
if there
if
is.
there is. It is not for sharing. Sharing is different.
Uh-huh. So
To
it is only so we have to click our address here. Oh, sorry,
ah
type the address here, right?
yes. Type
So
the
that
address.
it goes to the if there is an account in Facebook, it goes to Facebook, our
Yeah,
account,
yes, or it
and
goes
they
to
can see the
Twitter.
same thing there.
Yes, but it is not the one that you use for sharing, wherein you can share to WhatsApp, you can share to Coca, whatever social media you're using. That one, it has to be installed also as a plugin.
Ah,
Or it is also the jetpack. The
yes,
jetpack
yes.
has its own already, so it can also be used. We can I will install it first on your site so that you can make use of that because it comes with the DV actually, so it is
Mm.
easier. So that's where you put and remove these things. But or and there's another way to put a different footer.
Mm-hmm.
Instead of using it directly here because you cannot edit, here you cannot change the style and anything because this is already fixed. What you
Like
can
another section,
yeah, you
right?
can do a section and then from the section then you can change the different colors. You can also
Yes, yes.
change how it will look like. and then the video, like this one, will come out well. Maybe because you have to embed it. So, like, for example, enable Visual Builder.
Google Plus is there. Google, what is that? Google Chrome is not.
This Plus used to be the
Google Chrome.
yeah, but then before Google has its like, for example, a profile like Facebook before. It's like your profile as a user, but they have removed it.
Yeah.
They have discontinued it 2 years ago or 1 year ago. So I also removed it already from Client. So from here, like for example, you can add another section, and then perhaps these are four, no? So you can put four, and then you can just
Icons.
Icons. You can put icons, but from here, let's say you wanted this background to be the same with that down there. And then from here, you wanted that archives, so you have to look for
Video editor map. Button.
That is supposed to be if you wanted, like, well, this archives was automatic, no? Unless you want a menu there, small menu, then you can put a menu or whatever you want to put. Whatever you want to put. Actually, you can put text.
Text, yes.
Yeah, excuse. Then you can
And
put,
from there.
yeah, from there you can put different
Yes,
links.
yes.
Yeah, okay. So that's one. And from here also, if you want to put this, still you can either you can put directly audio. Where is it? Video, audio. So you can put directly, and then you can put artist title goes here, artist name, whatever. Or if you want it to be a list of audio, then you can also put a what do you call this one? You can also put a blog instead of this. But you have to create first a category of all audios. So that all audio will only go to that part. Then they can choose it later on. So I'll put first the audio anyway because that's the one here. Like for example, and then the audio here you just have to upload. Anyway, it's there already.
Yeah, one I have.
So that one there. So that you can, it has already a it has a, well, a design, something like that, and you can change even the design, the color and everything. And from here, that of the video, you can go with the code. I think you did it with the code first, like that code. But then you go to why am I going to that one?
Core, I don't know, code I didn't write it.
Okay, let me go to iClaret. Let's say, for example, let's just.
I see some pages. When you open some pages, it's automatically there is a music.
How
to do it?
Yeah. Wait, I'll share this first.
That's okay. I am asking too many questions.
Yeah,
Sorry,
it's okay. You copy this first, I copy, and then you go to this, and then you post it here. Then it's there. Then it's clickable, and then it can be seen instead of these ones, and then you put also whatever you want to put on this side. And remove it because it will affect it is a live site. So anyway, it's in the video, so you will know what we did. Okay, I will remove this one. Regarding music on the site, then you can put a radio directly to that one,
Oh.
because there are, like for example, FM radio.
Maybe our Claret songs could be
If you want
played
a
in our when we open our page, main page. Claret songs, if it continuously goes on, you can listen to the music, you can go through the
uh-huh. Here, why did I close it?
but
Oh,
all may not like it.
yeah, all may not like it because I once placed it in the site, and then they 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 didn't want it. Maybe I think it's.
Uh,
I'm not sure if here you can put directly, but I don't think it is automatic with this one. But normally it is a what do you call this one? It is an embedded code that it will ask you already to directly play it.
mm-hmm.
Like the YouTube, it plays directly if
Mm,
you put it also autoplay. So when you
okay.
open the site, it will play automatically the video, then it will make the sound. The same with the audio. There's a plug-in for that. That when you put
Mm.
that audio, it will also automatically. But
Loop. They use what is
yeah,
it? Loop.
loop it.
Uh,
But it's
uh,
a plugin that can be placed, not this one.
mm.
We'll look for that one, and then I'll show it again to you so that it will be useful.
What about the thinking of uh, application application for what is it? Formation.